Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 15 small business ideas you can start from the comfort of your own home. That's right, no more commuting, no more office politics, just you, your laptop, and the potential to be your own boss. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn some extra cash, or you're ready to take the plunge and make a complete career change, this video has something for you. Are you a math whiz? A history buff? With online tutoring, you can leverage your knowledge to help students of all ages, all from your home office. It's a booming industry, and you can easily find clients online. If you've got a knack for creating beautiful and unique items, platforms like Etsy can be your best friend. From jewelry to candles to artwork, the possibilities are endless. Got a way with words? Freelance writing is a fantastic way to work from anywhere in the world, setting your own hours and choosing your clients. Chapter 4. Virtual Assistant. Busy entrepreneurs are always looking for help with administrative tasks, social media, and more. Being a virtual assistant offers tons of flexibility and a steady stream of work. Chapter 5. Social Media Management. In today's digital age, a strong social media presence is essential for any business. If you understand the ins and outs of Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, social media management could be your calling. Chapter 6. Graphic Design. With just a computer and design software, you can create logos, marketing materials, and more for clients all over the world. Chapter 7. Blogging. Blogging allows you to share your passions with the world, find your niche, create engaging content, and monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and more. Chapter 8. Dropshipping. Ever dreamed of running your own online store without dealing with inventory? Dropshipping makes it possible. You sell products, a third party handles the shipping, and you collect the profits. Chapter 9. Pet sitting. Love animals? Pet sitting is a rewarding way to earn extra income while spending time with furry friends. Chapter 10. Online coaching. From fitness to finance to life coaching, sharing your expertise online can be incredibly rewarding, both personally and financially. Chapter 11. Home baking. Do you have a secret recipe that everyone raves about? Turn your passion for baking into a delicious business. Chapter 12. Ebook Publishing. If you have a story to tell or knowledge to share, self-publishing an ebook can be easier than you think, thanks to platforms like Amazon Kindle. Chapter 13. Podcasting. Podcasting is exploding in popularity. Share your thoughts, conduct interviews, and build a loyal audience around your chosen topic. Chapter 14. Affiliate Marketing. Partner with brands you love and earn commissions by promoting their products or services on your website, social media, or through email marketing. Chapter 15. Online Courses. Take your knowledge to the next level by creating and selling online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to reach a global audience. Start your home-based business today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on starting your own business from home. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is today. So what are you waiting for? Choose an idea that excites you, and take that first step towards entrepreneurial freedom.